get the evening bite. Part 2, because I can't catch anything. Before I start this video, right now, the first video that I posted a week ago now has over 300 views, and my channel now has over 130 subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for you guys' support, and I hope you guys keep watching my videos. Please enjoy. Hate this bait. It never stays on the hook. Ah, that was one. Son of...
I play Pokemon Go every day.
Gotta catch 'em all. See, they're everywhere except here. See, they're hopping everywhere. See, this is fucking delusional because they're everywhere and not biting. This is making me slightly salty. Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Everywhere. This is bull. There's like 10 fish. You gotta be fucking kidding. Is that a fish? Oh my god. Nope, that was not a fish. That's just me overreacting. Watch, this is gonna get hammered at some point. This is gonna get hammered. Or will it? Watch this. Reality is often disappointing. Take the goddamn bait. It's literally free real estate. Come on. You catch anything today, son? No, because this is bullshit and the system is rigged. Fuck. Yeah, and then that side hops again. Where's the last place where the fuckers jumped? If I catch one fish. I know they're keen in on surface baits. And what's the big deal? Where art thou, trout? The new age Romeo and Juliet, except it's fishermen and trout. Maybe it's one fish that's just like teleporting everywhere and just f***ing with everyone. What utter garbage. Oh! Oh! Yo! Let's go! Guys! Oh my god! Oh, that's hype. Oh my god, that's hype. That's hype as shit. That is your local Lake Ballinger rainbow trout. Oh man, it's so nice. Alright, let's get a release on him. Bye-bye. Hell yeah, dude. Now we can actually make this into a video, unlike the last 2 times we've gone fishing and haven't caught anything. So I have to delete the files because it won't do us anything good. We've succeeded, lads. The madman's done it. I could like see it come up from like a foot. Right at my feet too. That's why you don't reel up too early. Because they will chase it all the way down to your feet. Remember, fish feed when we feed. So when we go home, because we're hungry for dinner, that's when the trout start biting. And guess who ate a Big Mac right before fishing today? So we can stay a bit later than when I'm feeling hungry, usually. Me. See if we can get another one. That's it for today, folks. We persevered today. I'm really proud of us. You people watching this video, sticking till the very end, and to me, who is now late for dinner and is probably gonna get grounded. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. The Oceanman channel, out.